Dear students, welcome to Social Science online class. I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson Geography Unit 3 India Agriculture. Today's topic irrigation. First, I asked some questions from previous topic soils. Students, are you ready? What is soil? Soil is one of the most important natural resources. Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organism, air, and water. What are the types of soil? Indian soil is divided into 8 major groups. What are they? Alluvial soil, black soils, red soils, laterite soils, forest and mountain soils, arid and desert soils, saline and alkaline soil, peaty and mossy soil. What are the crops growing in alluvial soil? Rice, beet, sugarcane, and oil seeds. What are the main problems of Indian soils? The main problems of Indian soils are soil erosion, degradation of soil, waterlogging, saline and alkaline, salt flats. The types of soils are different erosion. Students, listen here. Now we have to see about the topic irrigation. What's irrigation? Watering of agricultural plants through artificial means is called irrigation. Watering of agricultural plants through artificial means is called irrigation. Being a hot country with the seasonal and irregular rainfall, it always needs irrigation to carry out agricultural activities during dry period. What are the sources of irrigation? In India, the different sources of irrigation are used depending upon the topography, soils, rainfall, availability of surface or groundwater, nature of river, whether perennial or non-perennial, requirements of crops, etc. What are the main source of irrigation? The main source of irrigation used in different parts of the country. What are they? Canal irrigation, well irrigation, and tank irrigation. First, canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the second most important source of irrigation in our country. Canals are the effective source of irrigation in areas of low level relief, deep, fertile soils, perennial source of water, and extensive command area. What are the types of canals? Canals can be divided into two types. What are they? Inundation canals and perennial canals. First one, inundation canals. In this water is taken out directly from the rivers without making any kind of barrage or dam. Such canals are useful for the diversion of floodwater from the rivers and remain operational during rainy season. Next, perennial canals. Perennial canals are developed from perennial rivers by constructing barrage to regulate the flow of water. About 60% of the canal irrigated area falls in the northern plains of India. Next, well irrigation. A well is a hole or trough, usually vertical, excavated in the earth for bringing groundwater to the surface. Well irrigation is the most important source of irrigation. It is a cheap, dependable, and popular source of irrigation in the country. Well irrigation is unavoidable in the region of low rainfall and becomes an essential one where the canals and tank irrigation are not available. What are the types of wells? Wells can be divided into two types. What are they? Open wells and tube wells. First one, open wells. This type of irrigation is widely practiced in the areas where groundwater is sufficiently available. The areas are in Ganga Plains, deltaic region of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and parts of Narmada and Tapti valleys. Next, tube wells. Tube wells are developed in the areas of low water table, sufficient water supply, and soft subsurface geological units. Tube wells are predominant in the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Next, tank irrigation. A tank is a natural or man-made hollow on the surface developed by constructing a small barn around it across the stream. It is used to collect and store water for irrigation and other purpose. Irrigation by tanks is a very old system in India. It also includes irrigation from lakes or ponds. The tank irrigation is popular one in the peninsular India due to the following reasons. The undulating relief and hard rocks make difficult to dig canals and wells. What do you mean? Undulating relief. Undulating means moving in waves. Natural depressions serve as reservoir. Absence of perennial rivers. Impermeable rock structure which do not permit percolation. Impermeable rock structure. What do you mean impermeable? Impermeable means not allowing liquid. Impermeable rock structure which do not permit percolation. What do you mean percolation? Percolation is the process of a liquid slowly passing through a filter. The scattered nature of population and agricultural fields. What are the modern irrigation methods? There are many ways in modern irrigation. Among them, mostly practiced in India are drip irrigation, sprinklers, and rain gun, and central pivot irrigation. First one, drip irrigation method. It was first developed. In this method, water is supplied in the form of drops through nozzles. Water can be saved up to 70%. Next, sprinkler method. It is the simplest and easiest method of all. In this method, water is supplied to the field from the source through the pipes which have small holes. It can be used in the areas of uneven surface also. Next, rain gun. Rain gun is used to spread water like rain. It can be used to water the crops which grow up to 4 feet. It is useful to irrigate the crops like sugarcane and maize. Next, central pivot irrigation. It is also called water wheel and circle irrigation. What's the other name of central pivot irrigation? Central pivot irrigation is also called water wheel and circle irrigation. It is a method of crop irrigation in which equipment rotates around a pivot and crops are watered with sprinklers. Next, multi-purpose river valley projects. It is a scientific management of water resources in our country. Construction of dam across rivers is aimed at many purposes. Hence, it is termed as multi-purpose river valley projects. The various purposes of a dam serves are irrigation, hydropower generation, water supply for drinking, and industrial purpose, controlling floods, development of fisheries, navigation, etc. Generally, majority of multi-purpose projects are combination of irrigation and hydropower, which are the major aims of the projects. Students, do you know Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, PMKSY? This has been implemented to get more production by using water saving and conservation technologies. Students, listen here. Next, revision. What is irrigation? Watering of agricultural plants through artificial means is called irrigation. Being a hot country with the seasonal and irregular rainfall, it always needs irrigation to carry out agricultural activities during the dry period. What are the modern methods of irrigation? What are the modern irrigation of methods? There are many ways in the modern irrigation. Among them, mostly practiced in India are drip irrigation method, sprinkler irrigation method, and rain gun method, and central pivot irrigation method. What are the types of wells? Wells can be divided into two types: open well and tube well. What are the main sources of irrigation? The main sources of irrigation used in the different parts of the country are canal irrigation, well irrigation, and tank irrigation. What are the types of canals? The canals are divided into two types: inundation canals and perennial canals. Students, listen here. I ask some questions from today's topic. Are you ready? First question. Dash is used to spread water like rain. Answer: rain gun. Second question. Dash is also called water wheel and circle irrigation. Answer. Central pivot irrigation. Third question. Dash is the second most important source of irrigation in our country. Answer. Canal irrigation. Fourth question. Bell are of dash types. Answer. 2. Students, listen here. This lesson is over. All are take your diary and note today's homework. Page number 158 to 159. Read thoroughly. I will conduct app test now. Get ready for social science app test. We will meet next class. Bye.